Taco truck. Nice. And this is the one the police are eating at, so it must be tasty, huh? Oh yeah. Smells good. Smells nice. Huh. You want to get something or you want to wait? Alright, we're at the hold still. Taco shop. Taco truck.
There.
Onion, cilantro, and pork. Asado. No, I'm sorry.
There.
Pastor.
Pastor.
Pastor. And the taco truck. Downtown.
How much this?
$3. One taco, two tortilla. Nice. No, you don't normally eat the corn. What do you think?
The corn is less, like it's corn taste,
Yeah.
but I like it. As what I said, it goes along with the
Yes.
feeling.
Right. Yeah. Definitely. Very busy too. Lots of people, and the police eat here, so you know it's good. All right, my turn.
Yeah. Ooh, what's that, honey?
Tacos al pastor
I
with
see.
some hot sauce, cilantro, and onion
Nice.
from the taco truck.
Ooh.
All right.
I mean, the police is eating, so we want to try it. Well, the corn tortillas is not that so strong, no? That's why I ate it. And it goes
Tasty.
along, yeah, it is tasty. There's a lot of onion, but that I don't like that much of onion, but it goes
The
into...
sauce I put on there is spicy.
I did not taste it. I think only you. Spicy? Huh.
I squirted quite a bit on it.
How much?
$3? Is that what you mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And we are, where are we? Beside the art.
We're next to the place.
Yeah, we're in Chicago. And this is the art museum, that area. And we are eating beside on it. Huh. Cool. Yum yum. Yum yum. Okay, cool.
Perfect. One taco. That's all we needed.
Yes. Good.